We do gardening.
My name's Matt Dean. I'm a Year 4 teacher at Surrey Square. I've worked at Surrey Square for many years now, about 16 years. So work with Edible Rotherhithe has been fantastic. It means that it takes the pressure off us as teachers a little bit. It means that we know we can get kids in the garden.
My name is Tiffany.
My name is Abdul.
And my name is Halimat.
We're going to be growing carrots and
Tomatoes,
broccoli.
different kind of veg and fruit.
But I think one of the most important parts of the work that we're doing in partnership with them is that we're educating the kids about healthy food, healthy eating, and how that can benefit your life. Not only eating the food, but how growing food and getting stuck in, doing a bit of digging, a bit of gardening, can be really rewarding.
Hi, my name's Victoria, and at Gardening Club we weed and we plant, and then after we look at plants that we don't normally use, and our teacher Christina, she would bring in some fruits, and we'll see and draw them and label what they look like. I come every week because that's just how fun it is.
Yeah, so what I get from Edible Rotherhithe and working with them is that a lot of it is about well-being, and it's about teaching kids about healthy eating and healthy food as well. On a personal level, there are 10 kids that are becoming gardening experts, and I suppose the big sort of idea, or one of their hopes, is that those kids can then work with other kids and teach them, so we can sort of spread out the gardening expertise amongst the children. But also, it's also the families as well, the families of those children. We would like to get involved more as well. So it's not just about the kids, it's about the families, and we want to sort of broaden it out as well to the wider school community, get more parents and carers involved.
My name's Khadija, and what I do here is we learn how to do gardening, weeding, and to help us get healthy. It's one of the most funnest things in the school. We're going to be growing lots of other plants and vegetables.
And wild plants. I like taking out the weeds.
I like making designs. And me, I just like growing things.
Christina let us take home some plants that we grew, and then after we also came to weed.
It takes a lot of love, a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff behind all of that the kids are learning about. And working with Edible Rotherhithe has been fantastic, and hopefully develop a polytunnel on top of the pavilion, which is unbelievable. That will be a huge opportunity for Kids in Gardening Club to get involved with growing food, and a lot of other kids as well. So we can harvest stuff during term time more, and I think that's for me is the most exciting thing. Not only that, the food that they grow will be served in the kitchen, so we can get the kitchen staff on board. I think it's something that can involve people as well. It can bring people together, and it's about a sort of healthy body and a healthy mind as well, and just have experiences that they wouldn't normally get at home.